tkun qed tgħaddi lili u lilkom minn workout ta' cardio u ta' balancing. Preparaw ħadmu dik il-qalb, ħanaħarqu l-kaloriji u nistudaw qalbna kontra l-mart kollu li jista' jiġi għalina. Narakom.
Ħanibdew bil-warm-up, alright? Ħanibdew daqsxejn jogging on the spot. Nice and easy, sakemm intellaw daqsxejn in-heart rate. Right arm rotations. Backwards. Okay, ħaniftħu nagħlqu. Importanti li niftħu ċ-chest kemm jista' jkun u lura kemm jista' jkun ħalli nkunu qed nistretchjaw. Okay, fuq u l-isfel l-istess ħaġa kemm jista' jkun nieħdu jdejna lura. Okay, niftu saqajna. All right, reach your ankles. Okay, feet together, il-fuq, up and down. Okay, hands on your hips, rotations. Change. Okay, hands on your knees. Okay, minn hawnhekk rotate ukoll. Change rotation. Okay, ħanġa nagħmlu daqsxejn il-heart rate, ħammur nagħmlu back kicks. Side jumps. Okay, jogging on the spot. Mela, l-ewwel exercise ħajkun skipping rope. L-ewwel ħaġa rridu nagħmlu impoġġuh taħt saqajna, alright? U naraw li qiegħed eżatti maċ-chest. Okay? U ħanamlu kemm jista' jkun keep it going on both legs. Alright? Min ma jistax juża l-skipping rope, ħanamlu jumping jacks. Alright? U min manka ma jistax jaqbes fast jogging on the spot. Alright? Tlaqna. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep it going, kemm nollu l-heart rate. Very good, very good. Well done. Kemm jista' jkun hawnhekk ħanforzaw lilna nfusna. Alright? Keep it going, last few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, well done. Alright? Next exercise. Għanużaw il-balancing disc. Alright? Squat down. Importanti darna dritt, okay? Hips back. U ħansibu l-balance fin-nofs tal-balancing disc. Alright? And hold it as much as you can. Jekk ma tistawx użaw il-balancing disc kull marret minn għandkom, hold a squat. Alright? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Very good. Tfal tal-ura, hips back, chest out, back straight. Kemm jista' jkun inżel oħra. Very good. Very good. Min uħoss l-ġieħ fl-irkoppa, kull marrit minn għandkom, you bend slightly down. Alright? Slightly down. Hemm xi fejn tinżlu ħafna, daqsxejn żgħira li ma tħallux saqajkom dritta. Alright? U importanti li noqdu fin-nofs tal-balancing disc. Okay? Very good. Hold it as much as you can. Hold it as much as you can. Hold it. Last few seconds. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Very good. Alright, it-tielet exercise, ħanużaw il-ladder, okay? Facing forward, ħanużaw idejna, ħanamla bi-slow motion, alright? ħanużaw idejna, 2 steps f'kull box, alright? As fast as you can, alright? U lura. As fast as you can, alright? Tlaqna. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Very good, chest up. Well done, very good, keep it going. Għata saqajk minn malar, tollija, ollija l-fuq. Very good, very good. Let's go, fast, 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 fast. Eħon ollu l-heart rate. Well done, come on. Keep it going, 2 steps, 2 steps. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, 1. Very good, all right. Okay, mela, next exercise. Ħanibbalanċjaw, all right? Ħanollu saqajna. Touch your ankle. Back up. Touch your knee. Alright, kemm jista' jkun dejjem ħanibqgħu fuq siq waħda. Ankle and touch your knee. Alright, laqna. Dejjem hija lura fil-pożizzjoni. Keep your back nice and straight. Għatti dritta rkubtejk, ħalli inti kollok dejjem il-bilanċ. Alright? Ankle and knee. Prova dejjem sib il-bilanċ. Uża jdejk għal-bilanċ. Anke jekk tieqaf hawnhekk ħalli ssib il-bilanċ u terġa' tikkalma. Alright? Dan huwa ċans biex inti ġib il-nifs lura. Okay? Deep breaths. Konċentra fuq li qed tagħmel. Alright, change leg. L-istess ħaġa tal-ċenkel and touch knee. Okay? Nice and easy, no need to hurry up. Iffukaw fuq xi ħaġa li mhijiex qed tiċċaqlaq ħalli tkunu tistgħu żommu l-bilanċ. Three, 2, 1. Very good, all right. Alright, il-ħames exercise, ħanamlu skater jumps, so go down, alright, on one leg, jump on the other, alright? Mela, go down on one leg, jump on the other, and keep it going as much as you can. I want you to use your arms, okay, to find your balance. Always keep your back straight, okay? Tlaqna, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good, very good. Tajjeb ħafna, tajjeb ħafna. Keep it going, well done. Iktar kemm tinżel minn saqajk, iktar aħjar. Go down, very good. Uħu saqajk l-oħra fuq wara, okay? Good. Very good, keep it going. Ejja ħanżidu, zid il-qabża, distance, very good. Very good. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Very good. All right. Next exercise. ħanamlu jisa star jump daqsxejn differenti. All right, nara minn miftuħa. Okay, down, open, and down. All right, ħandaħlu anke squat. Okay, tlaqna ħanollu l-heart rate. Tlaqna 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up, down, very good. Mela, taġġilix, open, għamela miej, open, down, open, down. That's it, very good. Keep it going. Back straight. Deep breaths. Very good. Well done. Tajjeb ħafna. Imma jistax jaqbes. Open, close as fast as you can. Alright? Last push. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Very good.
Ħanibdew bil-sempliċi exercises għal-non, daqxejn ta' stretching, mela. Id fuq il-ġem, id fil-ġem ta' rasi, u ma nixbed bil-mod, l-isfel. Għanżomma 15 sekonda. Right, għamlu naħal-oħra. Waqta l-ħin, per eżempju, nissuġġerixxu ħafna tkun qed tisimgħu mużika jew ta' meditation, jew ta' affirmation sejħdilhom, jew mużika klassika jekk tirrilassawhom, u tgawdaw l-happy hormones li qed tħossu wara l-workout u jiġibihom. Nofsib tas-sew, mela ħammorru l-isfel, 15 sekonda, spallejna lura. Alright, ħanibdaw l-fuq. Xejn kif nibda, wasaltu ġas-seba, tas-saqaf. Alright, ħanasu lejn left, lejn xellu. Alright, mela, idejn ma fuq il-hips, ħanibbuttaw bil-mod il-hips il-qudiem. Naraw li maħġet nagħmlu stress żejjed u nippruvaw nlaqgħu l-elbows tajjeb il-big flimkien meta naraw li qegħdin f'pożizzjoni tajba u qed nasluhom biżżejjed nħarsu l-fuq. Nżommu l-istretch hemmhekk ukoll. Għanħossu l-istreċjatura spallejna. And change. L-istess tara li jħorra. Mela dritta, nagħmlu biss mill-elbow l-isfel, nagħmlu l-oħra u ġentilment biex kulejna. Appoġġu sib fuq l-oħra u again ma nieħdu lura idejna kif jagħmlu. U nimmira illi rasna tmiss kważi ħad il-ħobba. Jekk ma taslux noqgħodux nikwidaw, iktar ma taslu jiġi aktar abjad